Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to learn the numbers 500 to 509, or los números del 500 al 509. The number 500 in Spanish is written like this, and it's going to be our prefix, or the first word used to spell every number from 500 to 599. So please remember that, from 500 to 599. The first word is always going to be quinientos. And then you have the rest of the words to symbolize the rest of the numbers. So, we already said what this is the pronunciation for, and it's quinientos, 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 quinientos. Alright. The next one is 501. 501 is written like this, and it's pronounced quinientos uno, quinientos uno, quinientos uno, quinientos uno. The next number is 502. 502 is written like this, and it's pronounced quinientos dos, quinientos dos, quinientos dos, quinientos dos. 503, it's written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced quinientos tres, quinientos tres, quinientos tres, quinientos tres. 504 is written like this, and it's pronounced quinientos cuatro, quinientos cuatro, quinientos cuatro, quinientos cuatro, quinientos cuatro. The next number is 505. 505 is written like this, and it's pronounced quinientos cinco, quinientos cinco, quinientos cinco, quinientos cinco. 506 is written like this in Spanish, pronounced quinientos seis, quinientos seis, quinientos seis, quinientos seis. The next number is 507. 507 is written like this, and it's pronounced quinientos siete, quinientos siete, quinientos siete, quinientos siete. The next number is 508. 508 is written like this, and it's pronounced quinientos ocho, quinientos ocho, quinientos ocho, quinientos ocho. The last number we have in this video is 509. It's written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced quinientos nueve, quinientos nueve, quinientos nueve, quinientos nueve. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that does it for today's video. Remember, if you had issues remembering how to write as well as pronounce the Spanish number, please stop, rewind, replay over and over again until you have both memorized in your head. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.